Good day everyone, Mr. Cargill here with our next AutoCAD video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about fixing the no closed boundary problem in AutoCAD when you're trying to hatch your drawings. If this video helps you, please remember to like. You can also share, subscribe and comment below to let me know what videos you want me to do. Okay, so let's say we have this drawing here that we want to hatch. So what we can do is now go over to our hatches. I can just click over here and select a random hatch, or you can select whichever hatch you want. You can also click the drop down arrow to select more hatches. So now I want to hatch this rectangle, so I'm going to click in this rectangle. So now it's saying a closed boundary cannot be determined. So how do we go about fixing this error? So to fix this error, there's a number of things you can do. You can first check your image to ensure that all your edges are closed. In my case, this edge was not closed. I left it open on purpose for the purposes of this video. Now I could close the boundary, or I could come over here to options and I can change the tolerance gap. It's currently at 0. I can just move it up a bit. And then now if I do that, I would be able to hatch this area. Just click continue hatching this area. So it would hatch the area. Now that's one way of doing it. Or of course you could just close the boundary if you realize that there is an opening. Now, if you did all of that and nothing changed, then what you would need to do is this. You can just redraw the image, or you could just trace the image. So in this case, this is a rectangle. So I could just click this corner up here. Let me just turn on objects now. Just click this corner here and click this corner down here just to trace the image really. And then now it will be closed. If none of those fixes work, then the only other option is to just highlight the image. You're going to right click, clipboard, copy, and then open a brand new drawing. Then right click, clipboard, paste, and then you paste it over here. Now once you paste the object over here now, you should be able to hatch it. So those are some fixes for this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a fantastic day.